Welcome back to the channel, folks. In our last episode, we took the rusty replacement cowl panel and dunked it in a tray. Well, let's call it a tray. Call it a Evaporust dunking tray. How about that? So it's sitting in there percolating as we speak. And when I say yesterday, that's my yesterday, not necessarily your yesterday, because I'm living in some kind of transcendental time warp of some sorts, and all my days are kind of all over the place. So but anyways, in my yesterday, we took that panel, no, not you, me. I took that panel and put it in that tray, and it's percolating. Like I said, as we speak, it's percolating. As I speak, it's percolating. Regardless, it's in the tray. Let's put it that way. Okay, don't crack me up, because otherwise I won't get through this. Anyways, but now we've got to get the other one off the truck because it's really bad shape. We got to cut it all off. It's all rusted, spot welded from the factory. You know how that goes. So I got to start hacking and hacking. No, that's not the proper term. I know I'm a bit of a hack, but no, I'm going to start drilling the spot welds. That's going to be the first approach, I think. And if that doesn't work, I'm going to grind the spot welds. And then later on, there's dynamite and stuff like that. But we're not going to worry about that right now. So that's the plan. We're going to get that piece off so that we can get it all prepared. So when I do pull the replacement piece out of the tray, we'll be good to go. Anyways, let's get to it. Hope to see you there. I guess it's time to start cutting out this panel. Once I cut this, there's no turning back. I should protect the windshield. What's that? There we go. Well, no turning back now. I just hope the other one is better than this. Now I just got to drill out all these spot welds without drilling through. That's going to be a challenge. And all along here. And then my plan is to put the new panel, line it up with this, and just weld that all the way down, spot weld the rest. And yeah, sounds easy, but not something I've ever done before, but I'm going to figure it out. But now I can treat all this rust in here and paint all that. So yeah, it's got to be done. All right, I'm gonna get set up for the new plant. She's a little rusty. All right, well, that's the top piece taken off. Yeah, I didn't really want to drill right through, but I guess it's hard to help that. So I'll have to grind all this off and weld up all those holes because they don't line up with the piece I'm going to put on, obviously. I still got to do this one, this flange here, which is the same problem. So I think that's going to do it for tonight, and tomorrow I'll get right back on this, and I got to check that piece that I've got sitting in the rust remover, submerged. So we'll see how that turns out tomorrow night. It's going to be 24 hours pretty much, so we'll see how that goes tomorrow. Catch you later.